Hey guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps here. Today we're going to show you how to remove the door handle from a brand new 2020 Audi RS7. So the steps to remove the door handle from this car are very much the same as most of the rest of the Audi family, the Volkswagen family, and the Lamborghini Urus as well. So all applicable to those cars. Let's show you what we need. So to remove this door handle, you're going to need a couple things. First thing is T20 Torx screwdriver, preferably one that's fairly long, because if you take a look at the distance from here to the edge of the door, there's a fair bit of distance there you need to be able to reach deep enough. Secondly, trim removal tool or something similar to this to be able to pry off a little plug in the jamb. Some tape just to protect the paint, and a pick tool set is always good to have handy. A couple of different pick tools. You never know when you might drop a plug or something in the door and you want to have something to help you get it off, and some zip ties. Okay. So, when you open the door, you'll be greeted with a little plug like this. All four doors have one. This is what hides the screw that allows you to get the handle out. Now, I've already taped this up because I didn't want to scratch the paint around there. You can simply slide a tool in and under and wedge this plug off. Pop, just like that. It's also handy to have a little box like these around to keep track of all the parts you remove so you don't lose anything. All right, next up, in here is where your T20 Torx screwdriver is going to go. We'll give you a close-up look at that so you can see exactly where it is that you're going to be unscrewing from. All right, next up, take the T20 Torx bit, put it in there and start unscrewing. So you want to unscrew all the way until you feel the screw stops coming out. At that point, you want to push the screwdriver in. So we're going pop. You'll feel a little pop then. Now you should be able to remove the screwdriver and jiggle that Torx, the end of the handle around. Out comes your cap. And then finally, from this side, you can slide the handle back and pivot it out. Give it a little jiggle and pull towards yourself while you're turning it outward, and you're left with two plugs right here. This is where the pick tool is handy. You can get it under the tab and pull the plug off the back. There we go. Now, this is where the zip ties are also handy. Put one around here and attach it to the grommet or somewhere here to make sure that this does not fall back into the door skin. Otherwise, you're taking the whole door skin off to retrieve them. But essentially, that's one. The second one, you need to pry that little tab off. You can see there, I'll show you again. So you can pry this little tab backwards. Hang on, put that down. There we go. And that now acts as a lever to undo the second plug. There we go. And that's that. Simple as that. Reinstallation is the reverse. So that back on and click. This one on here. Make sure that clicks into place nice and tight. Slide that back in, following a similar path to when you removed it. And when you put it back in, you want to have a look. There is a latch you need to grab onto. We'll give you a look at that now. Put it in, slide the handle forward, and it's on. End cap of the handle can go back in. That's in there. And then we tighten that screw back up. That pulls the whole handle back into place. Perfect. We flick that latch. Back to normal. Cool. And that's how you remove and reinstall the door handle on the RS7 and most of the rest of the Audi family, Volkswagens, and the Lamborghini Urus as well. Thanks for tuning in. If you like content like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and we'll endeavor to put out some more mechanical related content for you guys on our channel. See you at the next one.